Hello there, hi everyone, this is Chayan here from quickpreview.in and I am hoping that you are having a good day. And the thing is, if you are not a newbie affiliate marketer or a shy affiliate marketer or a newbie or a new digital marketer, then you can leave the video. Otherwise, this tool is not for you. Like, this tool is totally made for newbie marketers or shy marketers who don't wanna show his face inside internet and want to earn from internet. This tool is made for them. So what is the thing? You can click on the video description link to go through this page, and from this page you can purchase the tool. You will be available with my best bonuses. I am working on this field for so many days, like more than 1 year, and I have been collecting so many bonuses. So the best bonuses will be given to you from my side totally free once you have just purchased the tool within just $12.95. So a very cheap product, a very cheap tool from the side of the cost, but the thing is, the stuff is given inside it is massive, is very valuable, and all of the resources are given. So what you can do inside this tool? Inside this tool, the live training is given, the live training about how to overcome your shyness, not only like shyness, but how to do affiliate marketing by not showing your face, by using other people's stuffs. Like, all stuffs are given, from resource page, from everything. Like, this is the welcome video, and apart from that, the next video is a special announcement that is created by a woman, that is, I forgot the name, but a detailed training video and a live proof video. Okay, so if I want to show you the live proof, they are using the same method and they are earning on a frequent basis. Like, if I can show you the exact dates, so I can show you the dates, like 17th of November, and the next is 25th, 30, 31, 31, 31, 31. So that kind of earning you can also do the same thing by getting through this course, this training. So the main training starts from here. Main training is created by the guy named Douglas. Okay, so Douglas created the thing, and everything is lively done. Like, everything is happening in real time, and the stuffs are given, the done for you stuffs, like the resource sheet, and also the 5 done for you pages. Whatever you need to do the affiliate marketing, you need to earn money from home, that is totally done, that is totally given and done for you. Stuffs are given totally. Like, you can earn a good money on a frequent basis, like more than $100 easily by situating at your home. This is really possible, and they are also doing the same thing. You can do also the thing, and this is given inside this tool. So what can you do? You can go a step, you can take a step more. Like, you can also show your own face and earn more. But if you don't want to show your face, then it is okay. This tool is named as FaceOff because you want to keep you hiding. If you want to keep you hidden, you can keep you hidden. Like, you don't need to show your face, you can do the thing, all of the thing that can be done by a top affiliate marketer, and you will be earning money. Not like the top affiliate marketer, obviously, but you have to start. The taking start is the thing halfly done. I think if you started, the thing will be halfly done. And this is the training course. After done for you page builders, the bonus pages, the converting opt-in pages, and I am also a live proof. I am also doing the like same thing, and I am also earning, and I don't show my face. Also I don't show my face. Apart from this image, this image of me, I never like I have shown my face previously in some of my videos previously done, but these days I don't show my face. My image is only here, and the thing is, I am also earning, and you can do the same if you just go through the training. Everything is pretty much totally done for you. Like, the resources are given, like the training course, live course, everything is given. And to make your business sustainable, the policies, the credentials, the criteria are to be followed, that has been discussed here. The templates, everything is given, and bonus and free resources. And inside the bonus section, there are so many softwares given, good softwares. So I don't wanna show you more about this product because that will be revealing the course or that kind of stuff. I don't want to play the video. I can assure you that your money will not go in vain. If you are a newbie marketer or a shy marketer or a online or a person who want to earn online but you have not started, you want to start it, you must get this course. So what you can do, you can click on the video description link and go through this page and click on these buttons. There are 2 more buttons inside this page to get the product with my bonuses. And the front end product, the FaceOff, is $12.95, as I have already told you, and the bonus is for 3 days and 3 hours only, and 48 minutes and some seconds. So the thing is, you need to get hurry, you need to get rush to get the product with the best bonuses. Okay, I don't think that other affiliates are giving this kind of bonuses. So in total there will be 50 plus stuff, 50 plus plugins, software, and everything you are watching, doodle character pack, everything will be given to you totally free once you have just purchased the tool from this website. Apart from that, if you purchase any of the upsells, as this is a very good tool, you will be given more. You will be given a massive pack like the mega bonus bundle that's stuffed with 350 plus stuff, software, plugin, high quality graphics, image, more doodle character and images, music tracks, and miscellaneous stuffs, some PLR products also. So for not resale but for personal use only. And the thing is, vendor bonuses are also available, that comes by default to you. And otherwise everything is good. I think I have told you everything. Like, you can click on this button to get the product, and after that to visit the sales page, and after that you can get the product, and then you can click on this access affiliate bonus button inside your purchase history section. And that is the thing, that it was the product and the bonuses. So I think I have cleared you everything. I am signing out for this video. Bye bye, have a good day.